Hi gang, welcome back to another episode of Vulgar Display of Picking. I am that one Josh. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to shim handcuffs. These are pretty cool. It's got the window in it so you can see how the mechanism works. If you're not familiar with how the mechanism on handcuffs work, it's got the locking pawl in there that is spring activated with this spring, and when the key is inserted, and get my fat fingers out of the way, the locking pawl is pulled out of the way by the key and it releases the handcuff. And when it's double locked by pushing in that little button there, you can see that it puts this block in the way. So now it can't be ratcheted anymore, any tighter. And if you put the key in, you cannot unlock it just the normal way. You have to turn the key backwards, move that double lock out of the way, and then you can unlock it and release the handcuff. So how do we shim it? How do we go about defeating these? Well, if you have the Covert Instruments Covert Companion, it's pretty simple. You just slide it in here, get the shim tool. If I can do this through the camera here, that's the hardest thing. Whoops. You put a little bit of pressure on the handcuff itself to bring that locking pawl up, and as you can see, it slides right underneath there, and then that'll come right out. So what happens if it's double locked, right? So it's double locked, and now obviously you can't get that shim in there. So you take the hook and again, I'm trying to do this to the camera, so it's a little awkward. You fish that through there, get that out of the way. Now you can open the handcuff. So that is how you defeat handcuffs with the Covert Instruments Covert Companion. All right. Thanks for sticking with me. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment if you have any comments, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.